Hello students, today I am here to teach you about the fixture of 19 teams that I had discussed earlier, that how to calculate the quarters in each team. जैसे कि मेरी पहली वीडियो में आपने देखा है कि हमने किस तरीके से क्वार्टर्स का कैलकुलेशन किया है यहाँ पर। अब उसी क्वार्टर से रिलेटेड अब हम लोग को 19 टीम्स का फिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है। So let's begin with the new part, that is the fixture of knockout tournament with the 19 teams. जैसे कि मैंने पहले कैलकुलेशन करके रखे हुए हैं। The total number of teams are 11. On the basis of number of teams, we are moving to the part that is calculation for the fixture. कि अब हमें कैसे calculation करना है, उसके लिए fixture तैयार करके रखेंगे. The first one is that is the number of teams you must know, that is total of 19 teams. So according to it, the number of matches will be goes to 19 minus 1, that is n minus 1. Total of matches will be 18 team matches. So according to team matches, the number of teams were divided into upper half and lower half. That is teams in upper half and teams in lower half. जैसे कि आपने पहले भी फॉर्मूला देख रखा है, that is n plus 1 upon 2, 19 upon 2, that is 10 teams in upper half, and in the same way that is n minus 1 upon 2, that is 19 minus 1, that is 8. Total of 9 teams by in second half. Now we are moving to the next one, that is number of byes. पहले भी कैलकुलेट कर रखा था, हमारी पहली वीडियो में भी थे, इसके बाद भी हम लोग अब सेकेंड पार्ट में आ रहे हैं। तो नंबर ऑफ बाइस निकालने का फॉर्मूला ये है, दैट टू बी इन द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 2. सो मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 2 कंसिस्ट ऑफ 1 2 3 4 5, टोटल ऑफ 32, और जितनी हमारी टीम्स हैं उन टीम्स को ही हमें इसमें माइनस करना है। दैट टोटल नंबर ऑफ बाइस विल कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ कंसिस्टिंग टोटल पावर ऑफ 2, दैट इज 13 बाइस. नाउ we are moving to the teams in each quarter. जैसे कि पहले भी बात हुई थी, क्वार्टर में डिवाइडेशन करने की, there are 4 parts. Teams already हमारी 2 half में होती हैं. We are moving to the further part, that why we are calculating the teams in each quarter. The teams in each quarter is supposed to divide when the number of teams are higher. बहुत ज़्यादा teams अगर आ जाती हैं तो हमको उनको और furtherly divide करना होता है 2 और halves में. So the total number of quarters are divided as 1 2 3 and 4. So how the teams are calculated in each quarter? The number of teams will be divided by 4. You have to make sure about what is the quotient and what is the remainder. When you divide by 4, the number of quotient is 4. 4 4 is 16, and the remainder will be 3. This is the remainder. That means 3 extra teams are going to play in this quarters. 3 जो एक्स्ट्रा टीम बची वो हमारी यहाँ पर डिवाइड हो जाएंगी और बाकी बची हुई लास्ट टीम हमारी लास्ट में आएगी. सो 4 टीम्स मस्ट बी इन ईच क्वार्टर. 4 टीम तो हमारी हर क्वार्टर में होगी, कंपल्सरी होगी. अब इन 4 टीम्स को ही हम एक्स्ट्रा जितने भी यूनिट्स डिवाइड होती हैं, दैट इज 3 रिमाइंडर विद द टीम एक्स्ट्रा टीम्स. सो द रूल इज दैट इफ द रिमाइंडर इज 1, देन द टीम विल गो इन द फर्स्ट क्वार्टर, एक्स्ट्रा टीम, and if the remainder is 2, the extra team goes to quarter number 3. But if the remainder is 3, that means in this situation that 3 teams will go in differently these 3 quarters, that is quarter number 1, quarter number 2 and quarter number 3. The 3 extra teams will added on 3 quarters. The total teams in quarter number 1, that is 5, quarter number 2, that is also 5, quarter number 3, that is also 5, according to the rule of remainder 3. And in the last quarter, the total team will remain already 4. That sum up to 19 teams. हमारे पास already in this team का fixture था. So that is 5, 10, 15 and 4, 19. The total of 19 teams in each quarter. Now, how to calculate the number of rounds? As I told earlier in my first video, that the multiples of 2. Count the multiples of 2. Total number of 2 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the rounds will be 5 rounds. Hence I have calculated the rounds will be 5 rounds. Round 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the last one, that is number of teams in each half for the further division of byes. हमारे पास byes कितने आए थे? 13 byes. Now the byes are divided into upper half and lower half. This is all upper half and this is all lower half. तो इस lower half के लिए nb minus 1 and nb plus 1, that is total number of byes are 13. अब इस 13 से आप कैलकुलेशन कर लें फॉर्मूला प्लेस करके, द वैल्यू विल बी in upper half total number of byes and 7 in lower half. अब ये चीज आपको कॉमनली ध्यान रखनी है कि हमेशा जब टीम्स मैक्सिमम ऊपर होंगी तो बाइस मिनिमम ऊपर होंगी. Means there are 10 teams in upper half, so the byes will be less, that is 6 byes in upper half and the remaining 7 byes in lower half. अब इन 6 और 7 byes को as per the calculation of each quarter, how we are going to divide these byes in these different quarters. So now the same formula will be applied for the number of byes in each quarter. So this is format for the quarter. Now what you have to do, 6, that is number of byes. So 6 is an even number, so it will be constitute each half, means 3 will be in upper half and 3 will be in lower half. No formula can be applied according to this way. But if the number of byes are given in second quarter or third quarter and fourth quarter, then what will happen? The number of byes are 7, that is odd. So apply the same formula, that is NB minus 1 upon 2, that is 7 minus 1 upon 2, that will be 6 by 2, means 3 byes in quarter number 3, and remaining the formula, that is NB plus 1 upon 2, that is 7 plus 1 upon 2, means 8 by 2 goes to 4 byes. That means 3 byes in quarter number 3 and 4 byes in quarter number 4. Means all the remaining 4 teams are going to be constituted with the byes. So this is the calculation regarding the fixture of 19 teams. Now we are going to calculate how the team's fixture is going to divide as per the byes in quarters. Now let's move to the calculation. The fixture, as I told, the number of teams in upper half, this will be half upper half and this is lower half. Now teams are further divided 5, 5, 5 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is in quarter number 1. Next another 5 teams, that is in quarter number 2. Next another 5 teams, that is in quarter number 3. And the last remaining automatically goes to 4 teams, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are all the byes relating to fixtures. Now we are moving that how these byes is coming up. The rule, as I told in my first video, you can watch it there. The first bye will be given to the last team, that is bye 1. Another one is bye 2. Last team of lower half, then the first team of upper half. Then the first team of lower half by 3 and another one is by 4. This is the same process that we are going to divide the number of byes in the same way. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now again repeat this procedure. By 5, total number of byes are 13. So this is by number 5. This will be by 6. And this will be by 7. And this will be by 8. 13 कर रहे थे, 8 तक के byes हो गए. Means this procedure is again repeated. Again we are moving to the next further byes. Last team of lower half by 9. ये team complete हो चुकी है. 9 by यहाँ by 9 by 10. Now again by 11 and this by 12. See what happens that we had given the number of byes, 12 byes we had given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Again 9, 10, 11 and 12. The last by is 13th by. Again repeating the same procedure, that is by in last team of lower half. Lower half में last team हमारी बची नहीं, तो यही last team बची है, तो that will be by number 13. So these are the 13 byes that are given to the players as per the rules of quarter in 19 teams. So now what will happen? See that 6 byes in upper half, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is all over. 3 in each quarter. So 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 in each quarter. Now moving to the next, that is 7. 3 in third quarter. 1, 2, 3. 3 buys in third quarter, and the next remaining the 4 buys all goes to the 4 teams. So this is the way that we are going to divide the number of buys in the 19 teams with the calculation of quarter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what we have to do, that just move on and go for the further matches with the remaining teams which were left. जो टीमें बची उनका मैचेस करा दीजिए. In the first round, 4 and 5 will go for a battle and only one team will move up. 6 and 7 will go for a battle and only one team will move up. Here in the next, that is 14 and 15 will go for a battle and the next team is move up, only one team. Now the remaining buys are going to be proceed as further. Means this and this. Now in the same way 3, 7 and 11. In the same way this, all 4. Means these are the buys, these are the teams which are being qualified in the first round without playing any single match. So this is a good luck for them that they are playing no matches but going to the next team without playing a match. So next in the second round, start from the top, don't go from the bottom. You will be correct. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These will battle in the second round. Next another one, the half is over. Now move to the next, that is by this team, these two teams, these two and these two. So these are the quarter for second round. Now these students, these players are going for the battle and one will win and move to the third round. Only one and one. Next again in the same way in the next process in the quarter number 3 and 4. Now only one team from each match will go to the next round, that is third round. Now in the third round these teams will battle again, the winning teams. These and these teams. So now what happens in the third round? Only one winner will move to the fourth round here, and here from only one winner. Again in the same way in the next lower half, the same, and the procedure goes for same. Now they have reached in the semi-final round, that is the last second round as per the fixture. Now in the fourth round, these two teams will battle, and in the next one these two teams will battle. From the upper half, one winner will reach in the final round, and from the lower half, one winner will reach in the final round. So this is the final. This is semi-final, and this is quarter-final. As per the teams of 19 teams that are given in the question. So these teams are, that is quarter-final, semi-final, and final. So in the final, only two teams are going to play, or only two individuals are going to play for a match, and the last will be go for a winner, that will be any of one will be said as a winner. So this is the complete fixture of the 19 teams. Hope you have understood this fixture regarding the teams in each quarter, that how the players are going to be divided when the number of teams are in a large proportion. बहुत ज़्यादा अगर matches होते हैं या बहुत ज़्यादा number of players होते हैं तो कैसे उन्हें distribute करें. So this is the proper way to divide the number of teams in each quarter and to calculate the matches. So now you can rectify your question or solution, that is the fixture is correct or not. So just count these lines. What happens, few of the videos you have seen that numbers यहाँ पे लिख दिए तो matches count हो. Go for the matches only. The match number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Up to these round 15 matches are over. Now in the first round, these two teams played. This is 16th match, 17th match, and in the next one, that is 18th match. So these lines are representing that number of matches are 1 to 18. हमारे 18 matches calculate होके आए थे. Now we have performed the 18 matches. So this is the complete fixture of 19 teams with the calculation of each quarter in upper half and lower half. Hope you all like this video, and if you understood this video, then please hit the subscribe button to my channel, that if I am going to update more videos regarding the chapters of this and regarding the questions of this, so you can get the notification of this and you can also watch them. Press hit like button and go for the subscribe button, and I will further provide you details regarding this in the fixtures and the chapters. Thank you so much.